How to report false or suspicious activities to Wells Fargo. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can report false or suspicious activities to Wells Fargo. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you can go to a browser, and in the search bar you could simply type in wellsfargo.com, and that's gonna take you to the official website. So once you land on their website, you could simply report through their website. From here, navigate to top right, and on this menu bar, click on help. Then here you could go to quick help. And now go to the first option, customer service and FAQs. So if you detect any suspicious activities that you want to report to Wells Fargo, scroll down a bit, and here you have different ways to connect with Wells Fargo. You could either find a Wells Fargo bank application near you, so you could directly visit the application and report your problem. If not, you could also make an appointment. So to make an appointment, head towards the schedule online option, follow the on-screen prompt, make an appointment, then connect with the Wells Fargo personalized or the customer support, and after that you could report your problem. Then make sure to follow the instructions as guided properly, and then you may be able to connect, or you may be able to report your problem. If not, you could also give Wells Fargo a call. In order to call the Wells Fargo and report your problem, go to call us option, and you may be provided with a number to give a call to a Wells Fargo. So you could also report your problem via phone call. If you scroll through it, here you have the detailed information or your number from here as well in order to contact with Wells Fargo. So once you contact to Wells Fargo customer service, make sure that you follow the instructions as provided properly to minimize the fraud or any other suspicious activities. That's it. That's how you can report fraud or suspicious activities to Wells Fargo. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.